All right, here's a quick video I'm going to do on a AGT QH13R. This is a cabbed unit, which I don't know if you can see that or not, but the front windshield is broken out in the back. So kind of nice, you got the cab, but not the window, which is too dang hot in there anyways right now. So yeah. If you want to take the cab off, I think it's like 4 or 5 bolts. You can just take the cab right off of there and run it open. So there you go. Just had a little mishap, but other than that, it all functions like it should. I'll try to run it with doing the video. I don't have a video person right this moment, so let's fire it up. So very simple. Choke real quick. That's about it. You can come check this one out. All the items in the auction July 12th. It's going to be from 9 to 4. Any questions in the meantime, let us know. And that's it for now. Thanks.